Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video, I will tell you how to fix notification aren't working on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about after buying the iPhone 15, they are facing an issue of notifications. That their notifications are not working on their iPhone 15 models and they don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video, I will tell you how to fix notification not working issue on your iPhone 15 models. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our first step is to check your notification settings on your iPhone 15. So guys, make sure your notifications are enabled for the specific app you are not receiving notification. To do this, you have to simply go to the settings, tap on notifications and select the app. Ensure that allow notification toggle is enabled and that notification settings are configured as desired. After this, you have to simply check your do not disturb mode. Verify that you haven't enabled the do not disturb mode accidentally on your iPhone 15. Simply scroll down from the top right corner of your screen and you will see an option do not disturb mode. If it's enabled, then you have to simply disable it. After disabling these and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is simply restart your iPhone 15. Sometimes simply restarting your iPhone can fix these type of issues. Turn off your iPhone by going to the general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is simply update your iOS version. Make sure your iPhone 15 is running the latest version of iOS. You have to open the software update and check if there's any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. So guys, after this, then you have to do is simply check your background app refresh. Make sure background app refresh is enabled for the all apps on your iPhone. You have to open the background app refresh. Simply first of all disable the low power mode. Now go to the general, tap on background app refresh, again tap on it and you have to make sure that it's enabled. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset your network notification settings. If notifications are still not working, you can reset your all notification settings to their default values. To do this, you have to simply scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your password and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps at how to fix notification not working issue on your iPhone 15 models. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.